Welcome to GenralMind. I'm very glad you're here and truly appreciate you taking the time to visit this channel. GenralMind is a place where we explore knowledge, technology, ideas, and topics that help us better understand the world around us. Whether you are a student, a curious learner, or someone interested in technology, you are always welcome here. In today's video, we will be learning about cryptography, a fascinating and extremely important concept that helps protect information in the digital world. We will explore what cryptography is, how it works, its main features, real-life applications, simple examples, and how it is used in everyday technology. Cryptography is the science of protecting information by converting it into a form that only authorized people can understand. The word comes from the Greek words kryptos, meaning hidden, and graphene, meaning writing. In the modern digital world, cryptography plays a crucial role in keeping our information safe, protecting banking, messaging, and digital payments. Whenever you see the small lock icon in your web browser, it usually means cryptographic technology is being used to protect your data. Cryptography works by transforming readable data, called plaintext, into an unreadable format known as ciphertext. This transformation is performed using a mathematical method called an encryption algorithm along with a special value known as a key. Only someone who has the correct key can convert the encrypted ciphertext back into readable information through a process called decryption. Confidentiality ensures that information can only be accessed by authorized individuals. Encryption prevents attackers from reading sensitive data. Integrity ensures that data cannot be altered during transmission. It verifies that the information received is exactly the same as sent. Authentication confirms the identity of the person or system. It verifies that users are who they claim to be. Non-repudiation prevents someone from denying an action, such as signing an online contract or approving a transaction. In symmetric encryption, the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. It is fast and efficient for large data. Asymmetric key cryptography uses two different keys, a public key for sharing and a private key that must remain secret. Hash functions convert data into a fixed length value known as a hash. This process is one-way and used for passwords. Many messaging services use end-to-end encryption, which means that only the sender and the receiver can read the messages. Cryptography forms the foundation of blockchain technology, helping verify transactions and protect ownership of digital assets. One of the oldest techniques is the Caesar cipher, where each letter in a message is shifted by a fixed number of positions. Cryptography plays a crucial role in protecting digital information. As technology advances, its importance will only continue to grow. Thank you very much for watching GenralMind. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel.